Welcome viewers to this exclusive tour of this luxurious home, meticulously designed by our talented team here at Chic Spaces.
Prepare to be captivated as we showcase the beautiful designs across the house that are accentuated with rose gold. Each room tells a beautiful story of opulence and sophistication.
Join us on this visual journey where every detail is a testament of our commitment to creating spaces that depicts elegance.
Dive into the world of beautiful sophistication and bespoke designs.
My favorite part of the house is definitely the vanity space, which is not just luxurious but classic.
And mine definitely is the crockery cum bar unit, which is accentuated with mirrors on either side.
What is yours? Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space.
Thank you.
Thank you.